Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jenie Magic Hair, and if you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that like button before moving any further. And if you want to see how I achieve this hair, flawless hair, you guys stay tuned. First thing I'm gonna be doing is moisturizing my hair with this leave-in conditioner from Cantu. And you guys know, number one rule to having any protective style in your hair is moisturizing and oiling your scalp before applying this hairstyle on. Then I'm gonna take this argan oil and just apply it to my hair so that it's just oil so that my hair can be softer. Now what I did was part my hair into two sections, and then I separated it into a smaller section so that I can prepare my hair for the Faux Locs. That what I just showed you was the hair that I used, and here's a clip of most of my hair already done. So guys, what we're doing now is adding on an extension piece so that the hair can seem fuller and it can reach to the length that I want the Faux Locs to be, because my hair isn't that long. So yeah, and after we're done applying that extension piece, we're gonna take the crochet needle and crochet it through that plait that I made. Can't really explain it. Before inserting the strand of hair through the crochet needle, you gotta separate it and just ensure it looks like that, loose, so that when you're ready to wrap it around the hair, it won't be difficult. In this other clip, I'm going to be showing you guys a close-up of how I did the Faux Locs, so pay close attention. when you arrive at the end of the Faux Loc, you're gonna palm roll it so that all the hair, I'm not sure how palm rolling works, but I guess it clumps the hair together and allows it to stay. But I added another piece because it wasn't the same length as the opposite hair on the other side of my face. So yeah. Once you're done with that, you're gonna clip it and then burn it with a lighter so that it doesn't unravel. And then you want to palm roll it some more so that it stays together. Okay, so guys, this is the finishing look of my hairstyle. These are my bob Faux Locs. And yes, this was my first time doing them, so I was a little skeptical on how they were gonna turn out, but nonetheless they look awesome. Like, I look beautiful with these on. Like, tell me in the comment on a scale of 1 to 10, how did I do on these locks as it being my first time. But yeah, if you guys want to see more videos of me doing hairstyles like this, comment down below. Hope you guys are subscribed to my channel by now, seeing that you've reached this far. And turn on that post notification bell so that you can know when I upload. I try to upload once a week or once every 3 days. So yeah, bear with me guys. And down here, I'm gonna show you guys different styles that I did with this hairstyle. And yeah, thank you for tuning in, and I'm out.